Hi, I'm Jennifer. Um, so for the Google assignment, I was already fairly familiar with Google Drive and all those apps. Um, I worked at a middle school last year as a paraprofessional, and a lot of those teachers do use Google Docs for group projects and things like that. So I was a little bit familiar with it already, um, but not only is this useful for students, but also for teachers who may want to share lesson plans with one another. Um, I did think that the color coding the files was pretty interesting. I really wasn't familiar with that. I also thought it was interesting that you can star the messages and then come back to it later. I really like learning about Google Translate. So what I did was I had my niece um, share something with me in Spanish because she had taken some Spanish courses. Um, so I had her send me some Google Docs to see it translate. I thought that was really interesting. I definitely think that I will spend more time going over the lessons so that I can get that certification. Um, I'm not as familiar with technology as maybe some of the younger students or younger teachers even. Um, so this will kind of help bring me into the new age. Um, but I'm not really sure that this will make me more marketable, just because I think this is kind of common knowledge now um, for people who are really growing up with this. Um, I am comfortable with Microsoft uh, more than I am with Google. Uh, we had Chromebooks last year. That was my first experience with Google, and I found it to be a little bit more of a learning curve. I was already really familiar with how to drag things around and where everything was at. Uh, but I do, with the Microsoft PowerPoint, I like the ease of putting the pictures in and dragging them to the right size. I didn't find that to be quite as easy with the Google Slides, but I also find that the font was better with PowerPoint. It seemed like I had to download a lot of the fonts and things like that for Google Slides. But I do like the ease of sharing the Google Documents um, and the other Google apps with one another, and that and I also like that people can edit one another's documents. So it definitely makes sharing group projects a lot easier. Uh, that's all I had. Thank you.